When you search for the best spinning reel under $50, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find the one that truly delivers on performance, you'll need to dig deeper. Product number 1, KastKing Centron. Let's kick things off with the KastKing Centron. This reel caught my eye because it's a bestseller at just $22.94, which is pretty impressive for the features it packs. If you want a reliable reel that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Centron features a maximum drag of 17.5 pounds and a 5:1 gear ratio, which means it gives you solid stopping power without sacrificing speed. The CNC aluminum spool ensures even line lay, and with 9+1 ball bearings, it delivers an ultra-smooth performance that makes casting a breeze. Here's why this matters. You get the power to fight fish while enjoying a smooth retrieval, making your fishing experience more enjoyable. Plus, with over 9,600 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear other anglers are satisfied. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual angler looking for something affordable, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It holds up well for light to moderate use, and at this price you're getting great value. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a reliable backup reel. Skip this one if you're targeting larger species consistently, as that's where it may struggle. For around $22, it's hard to find a reel that gives you as much bang for your buck. Now, if the Centron's maximum drag wasn't strong enough for your needs, the next one on my list takes it up a notch. Product number 2, KastKing Brutus. Next up is the KastKing Brutus, priced at $25.64. I was drawn to its promise of exceptional performance, especially for freshwater fishing. If you're looking for a smooth casting experience, this one's worth your attention. The Brutus features a maximum drag of 17.5 pounds and a lightweight graphite frame, making it easy to handle while still providing plenty of strength. The 4+1 ball bearing system ensures a smooth operation, and the instant anti-reverse gives you quick hook sets, which is crucial when that big fish bites. Why is this important? It means you get a reliable reel that won't leave you frustrated at the critical moment. The 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews backs that up. However, some users found the drag adjustment a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite effective. So if you're patient and willing to learn, this one will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a solid reel that's lightweight and dependable. Skip it if you're looking for something heavy-duty for saltwater, as it's designed more for freshwater use. At this price point, you're getting impressive quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a lightweight design. Product number 3, Piscifun Flame. Up next is the Piscifun Flame, retailing for just $21.24. This reel really stood out to me because of its lightweight design and attractive aesthetics. If you want a reel that's easy to transport without compromising performance, check this one out. Weighing only 6.1 ounces, the Flame is incredibly portable. It boasts a maximum drag of 19.8 pounds, which is impressive for its size. The 9+1 ball bearings contribute to its ultra-smooth operation, making it feel like butter when you're reeling in a catch. Here's why that matters. You want a smooth experience when you're fishing, especially when the big ones are on the line. With over 5,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this reel has a good reputation. One downside is that the design might not be as rugged as some heavier models. However, if you're after a lightweight option for casual fishing, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for those wanting ease of use without sacrificing too much power. This is perfect for you if you love fishing on the go or want something light. Skip this if you're targeting larger fish regularly, as it may not hold up as well under heavy strain. For around $21, it's a stylish and efficient choice. Now, if the lightweight design was appealing but you want something a bit more robust, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 4, QINGLER Summer. Next, we have the QINGLER Summer Spinning Reel, which is an absolute steal at only $13.98. I was surprised by its price given the features it offers. If you're on a tight budget and still want reliability, this could be what you're looking for. With a maximum drag of 13 pounds and a lightweight design at just 7.8 ounces, this reel is built for ease of use. The 12+1 ball bearing system ensures a smooth experience, while the folding handle makes it easy to store. Here's why this matters. You don't want to be fumbling with your gear when you're out on the water. The 4.4-star rating from over 1,200 reviews shows that many users find it effective for their fishing trips. Now, some users have mentioned that it feels a bit small, which could be a concern for bigger hands. But honestly, if you're looking for a compact reel for freshwater fishing, that's a small trade-off for the price and performance. This is perfect for you if you're an occasional angler or just getting started. Skip this if you're a serious angler looking for heavy-duty performance. At this price, it's hard to argue against its value. Now, if you need something with more power, the last one on our list is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Cast King Megatron. Finally, let's talk about the Cast King Megatron, which sits at $54.99 but is often found on sale for less. This reel really caught my attention with its rugged build and unique design. If you're looking for something that can handle bigger fish and tougher conditions, you'll want to hear this. The Megatron features a massive 30+ pounds of carbon drag, which is just incredible. It has 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings for smooth operation, and the rigid aluminum frame ensures durability. This matters because when you're out there battling a big catch, you need a reel that can stand up to the fight. The 4.5-star rating from 4,300 reviews shows it's a favorite among serious anglers. However, some users have noted it's a bit heavier compared to others on this list. Here's the thing, if you're after power and durability, that weight can be a small sacrifice for the quality and performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're into serious fishing or plan to tackle larger species. Skip this if you're looking for a light, casual reel. For just under $55, you're investing in a high-quality reel that delivers serious performance. So to wrap it up, the Cast King Centron is great for budget-conscious beginners, the Brutus offers exceptional performance for a little more, the Piscifun Flame is perfect for lightweight travel, the Qingler Summer is a steal for those just starting out, and the Cast King Megatron is ideal for serious anglers tackling bigger fish. Each reel has its strengths, so consider what fits your fishing style best.